जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम।
सावधान। राष्ट्र सैल्यूट, सलामी सर। Hands cut.
Under sir, to take the position to receive the salute and to take the inspection of the troops.
श्रीमान, परेड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है।
근데 재밌는 오래 하죠.
परेड तीनों दिन में बाय चलेगा, बाय
celebration of our freedom from colonial rule. It is a powerful reminder of what that freedom truly means. It is a call to action, a chance to reflect on the kind of citizens we are becoming. As the youth of this proud nation, we are not only the inheritors of its past, but also the builders of its future. It is our responsibility to stand up for the values that define our democracy: justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, and to live them out in our words and actions every single day. Let us remember that the truest homage we can pay to our nation and its heroes is through sincere efforts, disciplined action, and the commitment to building an India that is strong, inclusive, and self-reliant. Before we proceed further, it would be my proud privilege to call my teacher, Mrs. Malini Banerjee, to introduce the chief guest.
And a very happy Independence Day to everyone present here. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Colonel Chattopadhyay, an artillery officer and pilot by profession, a rare combination that speaks of his versatility. Colonel Jayanta Chattopadhyay has been serving for 3 decades in the army and is presently an officer of the NCC and trains students in schools and colleges. He shapes youngsters into responsible citizens and instills them with confidence, enabling them to represent the nation on international platforms. On this Independence Day, it is indeed an honor to welcome a soldier, a leader, a mentor, and a true patriot. Colonel Jayanta Chattopadhyay, we are really privileged to have you with us today, sir. May I now request our Principal Sir, Director Sir, and Priyaki Ma'am to please felicitate our guest and Mrs. Chattopadhyay.
No, from that side.
Okay, we have to all look at them.
We welcome you, sir and ma'am, and advocate Timothy Singh.
My dearest friend and senior.
I would like to take this opportunity to invite our Principal Sir to please come forward and address the
Good morning, Ma'am Alisa. Good morning, visiting guests, parents, Director Sir, Ma'am. At the onset, on behalf of the entire Sacred Heart School family, we extend a very warm welcome and an appreciation of the fact that you took out time to be with us on such a busy day. And I must inform everyone that Colonel Jayanta is the man who is responsible for having encouraged us and brought the NCC program into our school, which has been taken by our students so enthusiastically. So thank you, sir, for that. We take this formally as an opportunity to thank you for that tremendous effort. So a celebration always moves forward or backward. We either celebrate something that has been or is going to be. But today, this 79th Independence Day is a celebration of both. So today, Sacred Heart School celebrates the fact that the 79th year was also a year that celebrates the successful independent India of the previous year. But we look forward as a school, students, teachers, parents, principal, and all of us to the Naya Bharat, the theme of the day's Independence Day and also for the year. So there is much to do, and I wish each and everyone the very best, and also wish every success to our country, to everyone who's working for the benefit for our country and also to better our world and also our country. So on that note, Jai Hind, जय भारत. Thank you.
We have decided to commemorate our Independence Day with a show of creativity. Thus, we have our drummers for their presentation. As a tabulator, we have Shubham Chetri sir. We now present a patriotic opening dance performance that pays tribute to the Pahalgaon incident.
अप्रैल 2025 पहलगाम की वादियां फिर से आबाद हो रही थी. नए नवेले जोड़े जिंदगी के सबसे हसीन पल बिता रहे थे. बच्चे मस्ती में खोए थे, बड़े बूढ़े जवान सभी हर फिक्र से दूर बस जिंदगी जीने आए थे. कोई चाय की चुस्कियों में खोया था, कोई सेल्फी में जिंदगी के पल कैद कर रहा था. लेकिन किसी को नहीं पता था कि कुदरत की गोद में मौत छुपी बैठी है. वो आतंकवादी आए. उनकी इबादत में नफरत थी, हाथों में बंदूक थी और दिलों में जहर. उन्होंने ना चेहरा देखा, ना उम्र, सिर्फ नाम पूछा, धर्म पूछा. जवाब मिला हिंदू तो गोली मारी. किसी को कलमा सुनाने को कहा, न सुना पाया तो जान दे दी. उसी की भाषा में जवाब दिया।
which they love.
चिंगारी जिद से जुनून तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा
এটি কেবল একটি কবিতার লাইন নয়, এটি কোটি কোটি ভারতবাসী হৃদয়ের আবেগ, গর্ব এবং আত্মপরিচয়ের প্রতীক। সুপ্রভাত সম্মানীয় সংবাদ সম্পাদিকা, প্রধান অধ্যক্ষ মহাশয়, সম্মানীয় অতিথিবৃন্দ, শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকাগণ এবং আমার প্রিয় সহযোগী, আজ আমরা যে মুক্ত বাতাসে নিঃশ্বাস নিচ্ছি, যে বাক স্বাধীনতা তা ভোগ করছি, তা আমাদের পূর্বপুরুষদের অসীম আত্মত্যাগের পর। 15 আগস্ট 1947। এই দিনটি শুধুমাত্র ক্যালেন্ডারের একটি তারিখ নয়, এটি এক গৌরবময় ঐতিহাসিক মুহূর্ত। যখন ভারত দীর্ঘ 200 বছরে ব্রিটিশের শাসনের শৃঙ্খল ছিন্ন করে অর্জন করেছিল স্বাধীনতা, যে সমস্ত মানুষ আমাদের জাতিকে অদম্য শক্তিতে রক্ষা করেছে, তাদের দৃঢ়তা এবং শক্তিকে আমরা কর্মী হিসাবে। আমাদের স্বাধীনতা সংগ্রাম ছিল দীর্ঘ, কঠিন এবং এই রক্তিম ইতিহাসের গল্প। মহাত্মা গান্ধীর অহিংস আন্দোলন, নেতাজি সুভাষচন্দ্র বসুর বিরুদ্ধ, ভগৎ সিংহের আত্মত্যাগ, লক্ষ্মীবাঈয়ের সাথে, এইসব নাম আমাদের প্রতিটি শিরা উপসারে দেশপ্রেমী বার্তা করছে। স্বাধীনতা আমাদের অনেক কিছু দিয়েছে, কিন্তু আমাদের দায়িত্ব বেড়েছে বহুগুণে। আমরা যেন এমন একটি ভারত করি যেখানে থাকবে না বিভাজনের দেয়াল, থাকবে না অশিক্ষা, দারিদ্র্য এবং বৈষম্য। একটি সমৃদ্ধ প্রযুক্তি নির্ভর পরিবেশ বান্ধবের নৈতিকতার উপর ভিত্তি করা দেশ করার দায়িত্ব এখন আমাদের। তাই আজকের পবিত্র দিনে আসুন, আমরা শুধু পতাকা উত্তোলনে সীমাবদ্ধ না থেকে একটি প্রতিজ্ঞা করি, আমরা শিক্ষিত ও সচেতন হব, ভারতকে আরো সুন্দর, শক্তিশালী এবং সম্মানজনক করে তুলব। তাই শেষ করার আগে বলতে চাই, দেশ বদলাতে হলে আগে নিজেকে বদলা, দেশ বদলাতে হলে আগে নিজেকে বদলা। স্বাধীনতা কেবল অধিকার নয়, এক মহান দায়িত্ব। ধন্যবাদ।
200 वर्षों की गुलामी से मुक्ति पाई। इस आजादी के लिए न जाने कितने क्रांतिकारियों ने अपने प्राणों की आहुति दी। यह आजादी हमें यूं ही नहीं मिली, इसके पीछे असंख्य वीरों का बलिदान, संघर्ष और त्याग है। महात्मा गांधी, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, भगत सिंह, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई जैसे अनेक स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपने प्राणों की आहुति दी, तब जाकर हमें यह आजादी मिली। महात्मा गांधी के शब्दों में सच्ची आजादी तब तक नहीं मिल सकती जब तक हम खुद को अपने निस्वार्थों और सामाजिक बुराइयों की बेड़ियों से आजाद न करेंगे। स्वतंत्रता एक अधिकार है तो स्वाधीनता एक जिम्मेदारी है। ये जिम्मेदारी है देश के संविधान, उसकी अखंडता और लोकतंत्र की रक्षा करने की। ये जिम्मेदारी है हर नागरिक को शिक्षित, स्वस्थ और सशक्त बनाने की। हमें समझना होगा कि स्वतंत्रता हमें केवल अधिकार नहीं देती, बल्कि देश के प्रति हमारे कर्तव्य का बोध भी कराती है। हमें अपने समाज से गरीबी, अशिक्षा, असमानता और भ्रष्टाचार को खत्म करने के लिए सामूहिक प्रयास करने होंगे। यही सही मायने में उन शहीदों को सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि देंगे जिन्होंने हमें यह आजादी दिलाई है, जिन्होंने अपनी जान की परवाह न करते हुए भारत माता को गुलामी की बेड़ियों से आजाद कराया। आज हम एक स्वतंत्र और लोकतांत्रिक भारत में सांस ले रहे हैं। अब हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम इस आजादी की रक्षा करें और अपने कर्तव्यों का ईमानदारी से पालन करें। हमें जाति, धर्म, भाषा या क्षेत्र के भेदभाव से ऊपर उठकर एक श्रेष्ठ भारत का निर्माण करना है। हमें मिलकर यह संकल्प लेना होगा कि हम अपने देश को शिक्षित, झुकने न देंगे मान देश का, रुकने न देंगे शान देश का। धन्यवाद।
To experience the last dance performed by the talented girls of Sister Nivedita and Kama House.
जैसे कलंक सुनहरा गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें मैं नए भारत का चेहरा मैं कल भी था मैं आज भी हूं मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूं सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में है मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूं मैं नए भारत का चेहरा मैं नए भारत का चेहरा मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूं मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूं मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूं मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूं विज्ञान में हूं किस्मत में हूं हर वीर में और जवान में हूं मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूं मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूं
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए
The robotics program of Sacred Heart School, led by Chirag Sir from Shaping Ideas, is glad to showcase its love of innovation meeting patriotism with a drone flying the national flag high. I request to welcome it with a round of applause. Yes, sir, a true son of the soil and the proud guardian of our nation, to address us with his inspiring words.
Respected directors of Sacred Heart School, Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, ma'am, sir, principal sir, the faculty members and students. First of all, a very happy Independence Day. And I, on behalf of my wife and self, want to thank each one of you for giving us a splendid performance by each of the students who have come here. I'm also happy to see the participation of NCC cadets who have participated at least for the time being for the first time, and I look forward for them to participate more. This is the first year when the NCC has been introduced to the school, and I can tell you from the performances that has been shown here and whatever I have gathered from what I have spoken to Mr. Gupta, that the school will also do very well in NCC. There are a number of opportunities that are being given in NCC. It is not only about that it is being trained by the army, so we have to join the armed forces or the BSF or the CAPF for that matter. It could be anything, it is only to improve upon what you want to do. There are a number of opportunities that will be given to you. It's starting from your basic sports. That will be there will be a competition at our level, and then you may be able to compete at the national level. There are debates, there are cultural events. We have students who have just gone and scaled the Mount Everest in the month of May 2025. This was not the first time. Before this, we have had number of such expeditions. This was one of them. Of course, there were girls who participated, and one was from my own battalion. We also have students, or I would say cadets, who are now going to foreign countries, friendly foreign countries. There are other events where you can contribute. When we talk about a nation, it is not only about what academic qualification you have. If you want to build a nation, it has to be about the academic qualification that you have gained. You have done something for yourself, but you also have to do something for the nation. Some things you would have learned through your parents, whatever they would have taught you, you would have seen others doing it, and certain things we try to inculcate in you as a habit regarding the social responsibilities. Over a period of time, you will come to see of it, and I'm sure you all will be able to contribute. And it is not only about those 50 or 100 cadets who are there in the school. It makes a lot of difference to each and every student or a cadet where NCC is there. It is a matter of time. Today it is just about 2-3 months old. But over a period of time, you will see that as and when more and more cadets, more and more students participate at a national level and come back wearing a jersey of NCC. Why I am saying jersey of NCC? It is a privilege to have a jersey of NCC. Once you participate at a national level, you will realize that that is the only time you are given this jersey. It is not at my level that I can give you that jersey. You have to earn this jersey. And not only earn, you can do so many things being an NCC cadet for that matter. So all the best to all of you, and thank you sir, thank you Gupta sir, ma'am, for having invited us for such a lovely occasion. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for those motivating words. As our celebration proceeds to a graceful close, we now invite our beloved and inspiring Priyaki ma'am, whose warmth and vision has always guided us.
True friends and patrons of Sacred Heart, the team that has accompanied Jesa, oh wow, added color and flavor to our gathering here. Beloved Sacred Heart family, parents who have been seated in different directions, my salutations and greetings to you all on Independence Day. So how does it feel being amidst the noted NCC schools in the country? And for this, I would like to give credit to my dear friend Eliza, because she is the one who actually mentored it and brought it to our school. Can we please hear it with a round of applause for Eliza ma'am and Rebecca ma'am, who is our chief guest today. Also, I take this opportunity to draw your attention to the countless blessings that Sacred Heart has been bestowed about not only being born on Indian soil, Indian sky above, but by being mentored by such amazing faculty and people who are going to be patroning and forwarding and mentoring future lawyers, future army men, and future citizens of this country. And also, I would like to draw your attention to the event management team, because they have used decoration which is sustainable, free from all kind of plastic, which has single use. And I told them yesterday that we would do it. We would draw the attention to how Sacred Heart is promoting sustainability. I would like to draw your attention to the primary wing performance today. Nearly every child was involved being on stage and singing patriotic songs. For this, I again salute the team of the primary teachers, and the other dancers, of course, were on a competitive level, but yes, very well done. So with a heart full of pride and gratitude to God above and Mother India, my greetings to you all. God bless you, stay happy, and be on the right path always. Thank you.
We wanted to judge the events, but though we know that each and every house has put in their best, So here lies the results. So I'll start over with the primary school. My request is that the house mistress and the students who are involved, when your name is called out for the first position and the second, if you could come forward and receive the trophies from the chief guest, sir and ma'am. So, a wonderful effort from Bluebell and Rose House. The second position goes over to Limelight and the first position goes over to Daffodil. So a round of applause for the winning house, please. From the girls department, Naidu and Teresa stands as the runners-up, and Nevedita and Madam Kama stands first. So congratulations, and if the house mistresses with the house captains would come forward, please. Now for the awaited boys department. So any guesses for the runners-up? Well, it's Nehru and Gandhi House, and Netaji Tagore has won the competition in the boys' side. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir and ma'am. And congratulations to the
Good morning, everyone. I am Kunjala standing here on behalf of Madam Kama House to propose the vote of thanks on this auspicious day of 79th Independence. I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to the chief guest, Honorable Journalist Akhtar, and other esteemed guests. I'd like to thank all the participants for your lovely performances. Thanks to all the house masters, mistresses, and tutors of both primary and senior school for your guidance. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Ganga ma'am, Abha ma'am, Sunny sir, and Flora ma'am for guiding the students with the dances and the song. I'd like to thank Roka sir and team for the decoration of the venue, and Hilton sir, Sunny sir, and the team for sound management. I thank Malini ma'am for preparing the speeches in English, and Samvar sir for your help. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the coordinators and level heads for your support. I thank Amit sir for helping us with the karate demonstration, Suken sir for guiding the SHS marching contingent, Tara sir for your help, and extend special thanks to Havildar Muhammad Ashfaq Alam sir for your precious time. Thank you, sir. I'd like to thank Palma ma'am, Nikita ma'am, and Deepa ma'am for your help with the speeches in different languages. I thank the judges for your judgment and help. Last but not the least, I thank all the students and teachers for your precious time and constant support. Jai Hind.
I would also like to thank Chirag sir and the robotics teachers for your help. Thank you.
Peace and wisdom strong.
speak to you as themselves and share their journey in this magical world where impossible things will happen every day. Okay, so please meet the characters in the big bag and consider with my writing. Hello everyone, I'm Alice and I'm 7.5 years old. I was sitting by the river with my sister when I saw the most peculiar thing, a white rabbit wearing a waistcoat and carrying a pocket watch. He was running and saying, oh dear, I shall be late. I was so curious that I followed him down the rabbit hole, and that's how I fell into Wonderland. In this strange place, I had grown tall and shrunk small, met talking animals and had the most possible adventures. I have learned that in Wonderland, nothing is quiet what it seems, and the impossible happens every day. I am the white rabbit, and I am always late. I work for the king of hearts, and she gets very angry when anyone keeps her waiting. I was rushing for an important date when this curious girl named Alex followed me down my rabbit hole. I always wanted being on late. I am late. Oh dear, I am late. Well, hello there. I am just a cat and I am not like other cats. I can disappear and reappear whenever I please. Sometimes I leave my brain behind, floating in the air. I love to confuse people with riddle and strange questions. When Alice met me, I told her that we are all mad here in Wonderland. And it's true. I helped Alice find a way by giving her directions. Welcome to my keyboard. I am the Mad Hatter and I am completely mad. But that's what makes life interesting. I am always having tea time with my friends, the Marcher and the Dormouse. We celebrate our own birthdays every year. That's 364. 364 days a year. I love asking riddles. Like, why is a ribbon like a writing desk? Though, I must admit, I don't always know the answers. I became mad because time got angry with me for singing badly in the Queen's concert. Now, it's always 6 o'clock for me. Tea time. Would you like to have some tea? We have plenty of room. I am the Queen of Hearts and I rule all of the Wonderland. I'm the most important person here and everyone must know. When things don't go my way, I shout my favorite phrase, off with their heads. I get very angry when people don't follow my rules. Alice was little brave to stand to me, but I'm still the queen. Alice in Wonderland. We recommend you to either read the book or watch the movie. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Today we are thrilled to present you one of the most exciting activities of our English exhibition, Grammar Detectives. We have a sheet super here from 1 to 5. We have to pick up a sheet and find the errors. So come, put on your detective hats, grab a blue sheet and let's see who can solve the grammar mystery the fastest. Let the hunt for errors begin. Happy detecting. Set 2. Mother said, from where she sat, it isn't nice to talk like that. It's true. I cried. I swear it, Mommy. words from the soul. Each of them will speak to you as themselves and share their journey. This natural world where impossible things will happen every day. Hello, Master. I'm Alice. When I saw the most beautiful tree, a white rabbit, wearing a waistcoat and carrying a covered pot. He was running and saying, "Oh dear, I shall be late." I was so curious that I followed down the rabbit hole. And that's how I went up and worked as the most and the possible happens every day. Here is this forest. I am the best rabbit and I am always late. I go for the kill of parrots around the rabbit hole. I always want to swing on it. I am late. Oh dear, I am late. Sometimes I leave my train and I am floating in the next. When Alice met me, I told her that we are all mad hearing wonderland. And it's true. I helped Alice find a way by giving her directions. But that's what makes life interesting. I am always having tea time with my friends, the Moncher, the Dormouse. That's 364. 364 days a year. Writing this? Though, I must admit, I don't always know the answers. Now, I became mad because time got angry with me for singing badly to I'm the most important thing. Alice was never brave to start teaching, but I'm so anyway, so you have made 5 characters of Alice in Wonderland. We recommend you to either read the book or watch it. Good morning, everyone. Today we are thrilled to present one of the most exciting activities for English exhibition articles, expressions, nouns, and words. So come, put on your protective hats, grab a cushion, and let's circle on the ground of this handsome all the best. The world of authors and poets. We are the class 1 and today we welcome you to a phonics parade. Phonics help us to speak, read and spell words correctly. So come and join us as we sing, dance and show you how much fun learning English can be. Thank you. Apple, And
form, you can fill it, you can ask for information, right to information. So every office within our matter, I think it's 30 days. You have to reply back. Why the road outside our school is not declared, you can
democratic countries.
You can also move down.
What is the job of the
It's just a transportation. No, sir. Basically, all the logistics for the bank. And we will smartly, it doesn't have to recognize by this police officer. He just goes or there is information to just his back.
He's in India.
It will be Indians.
The kids. They've already declared one or two.
Very smartly.
Otherwise there will be classes. Because there is one volleyball match also every night. So if you sir, because of the money or the time, will look at it. I think target send the message in the code.
But who controls the currency rate of the country? It's not RBI. RBI is only the currency rate of the country.
Started out one of the biggest in India, one of the biggest financial scams in stock market. And we all know most of us know about Harshad Mehta scam. What he has done is he used to